Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into y'all energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is always fluid. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. It could be a masculine, it could be a feminine energy, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. What's going on with Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Clear, accurate messages only, please, spirit. Breadcrumbing was at the bottom of the deck. Secrets. So it look like there is some sort of secrets here, you guys. The hidden truth is some sort of secrets. What's anchoring this reading is someone breadcrumbing. There's breadcrumbing energy out here. Someone just simply giving you enough to keep you around or to keep things going. The whole time there's an energy of secrets here. Okay? Clarify this breadcrumbing energy, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Breadcrumbing. One more for breadcrumbing. Gratitude. At the bottom of the deck, I am definitely seeing a funeral here, the death card. I'm seeing things coming to an end. All right. An ending for a new beginning or some sort of renewal. Clarifying breadcrumbing a sweet talker. So this individual could definitely be some sort of charm or okay, masculine or feminine energy, but I'm seeing this person after a while will be is suffering some sort of massive regrets, especially when it comes to romance and them breadcrumbing and thinking they're going to get away with it. Yeah, I'm seeing things coming to an end. Is what I'm showing here. Some sort of cycle coming to an end. There's a repetitive cycle of toxicity and drinking and things like that. There's an energy of people leveling up and tapping into their spiritual gifts, and I'm seeing someone receiving bad news after bad news after bad news. Is what I'm saying here. But yeah, like I said, something definitely come to an end, and someone sees or people start seeing this individual for who they really are, for their true colors, from what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify this sweet talk. You may see me looking out here. It's the street out here, you guys. I don't know if you heard that car. Hopefully not. So I got the background. I turned up the sound of the background, so cars and the sun and birds be flying out here, the sun be shining, and I just be just taking it all in like I'm doing my reading. So let's go ahead and take a look at this sweet talk. What is it that we need to know in regards to sweet talk, please, Spirit? Sweet talk. Sweet talk for the divine space. Okay. Clarifying sweet talk, I'm definitely seeing an energy of fright. So sweet talker, I'm seeing frightening. There's energy of depression, paranoia. All right. There's an energy of chaos, mind confusion, chaos, 62, conflict. All right. Clarify this massive regrets. Okay. Clarify massive regrets. I'm seeing an energy of someone taking it easy. All right. There's energy of relaxation. Number 69 is out here. Ooh, it's almost like the infinity symbol. 69, what goes around comes back around. And someone is in this energy of relaxation and peace. Clarifying this romance. Yeah, somebody's at peace while somebody's dealing with massive regrets. Clarifying this romance. What is it that we need to know regarding romance for the divine space, family, friends, and collective? All right. Clarifying romance is trap. There's definitely energy of someone creating or causing some sort of trick to trap someone in a romance or some sort of connection. Number 78 can be significant. I'm definitely seeing an energy of a victim in a situation at the bottom of the deck, and spirit's bringing something to an end. There's an energy of something not working, something ending, coming to an end, especially when it comes to some sort of stagnation. Spirit's about to cause some sort of breakup. Well, by simply revealing things, because everything is free will and choice, but by revealing things to whoever you are is your choice of decision, whether you want to stay or you want to go, especially when it comes to the secrets. This is what I'm seeing here. Anything else we need to know in regards to breadcrumbing and secrets? All right, I'm seeing someone that's in this energy of Nine of Pentacles. Okay, there's an energy of independence. I'm seeing success, some sort of financial stability here. Somebody's business could possibly be doing well. And I'm seeing a lot of responsibilities with this 10 of Wands. Someone handle a lot of responsibilities, have a lot of duties. Clarify. Okay. Yeah. But I'm also seeing an energy of some sort of soulmate energy out here. Okay. Where somebody was put to the test or there was some sort of spiritual test. Or, okay. And someone having to make some sort of major choice, especially when it comes to, you know, what has been happening, right? Now, clarify this Nine of Pentacles. I'm seeing energy of someone working a lot, you guys. I'm seeing building a business. Okay, maybe somebody may have some sort of reputation over a business or something like that regarding their expertise and their hard work. It seems like there was a lot of commitment and dedication to what comes with this independence, is what I'm showing here. And it, like, I don't know if you have some sort of following or they have some sort of following. I'm definitely seeing the energy of somebody watching. Okay, someone who is mentally quick is what I'm seeing here. Very some sort of inspiration, possibly to people. Anything else for this breadcrumbing and secrets. But I'm seeing a very emotionally immature energy out here. Square spirit. Um, it's causing someone to utilize their intuition. I see, it looks like someone does have psychic abilities. All right. It's almost coming off like empathic type of energy is what I'm showing here, possibly very quiet. And I see that there is a new financial beginning here, possibly new financial opportunities. That's what I'm seeing here. I see money and investments here. Yep, Page of Pentacles is in regards to you receiving news regarding earthly matters, finances, some sort of solid beginning, some sort of opportunity. I see that there is some sort of increase in income. I'm seeing a lot. It's a lot about finances over here, and I'm seeing somebody that was possibly being foolish. I did just see the Justice card, so it seems like karmic justice is definitely at play here. It seems like there's an energy of impulsiveness, someone that is willing to take risk. I'm seeing someone that is inexperienced. There's energy of someone being naive and juggling. There's an energy of juggling financially, juggling energetically, juggling financially is what I'm showing here. Juggling even emotionally is what I'm seeing here. Very indecisive type of energy is what I'm feeling here. Anything else we need to know in regards to breadcrumbing and these secrets? And it like it cause some sort of hardship or will cause some sort of hardship. What I'm seeing here with the Five of Pentacles, there's definitely an energy of possibly some sort of hardship or bad luck or something like that, um, some sort of negative changes, especially when it comes to some sort of circumstances in someone's life. Clarify this breadcrumbing and secrets. Yeah, and I see a a Queen of Pentacles out here. All right, so there is definitely an energy of a nurturer. This is the energy of someone that is normally concerned with others, the welfare of others. Um, a mother or father, businesswoman, businessman, breadcrumbing and secrets. Yeah, and it looks like there's an energy of patience. I'm seeing unexpected resources of income. Okay, so somebody was breadcrumbing someone and holding secrets, and somebody about to get out of it. It seems like somebody got trapped in something that they're about to get out of. Breadcrumbing secrets. Anything else? Yeah, we just got the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, I'm seeing unexpected changes. Somebody experiencing may take some sort of huge loss. I'm seeing a lack of motivation. All right. It says problem with like a large corporation or the government, y'all. Very crumbing, and I see a fire sign. Ooh, with a fire sign. Okay, strong Aries could definitely be significant. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Okay, could be in some sort of a leadership. Okay, and it look like it will be experiencing some sort of unexpected changes or financial disaster, possibly some sort of huge loss. All right, bankruptcy, breadcrumbing, and secrets. Yeah, whoever this is could possibly be a father figure, older masculine, a husband, or something like that. That's what I'm seeing here. From being very impulsive. All right, and having to make some sort of decision. I don't know if someone made the correct decision or not, but I'm definitely seeing the wheel here. Okay, there's a wheel here. It seems like there was someone that was possibly torn between two relationships. It looked like there was possibly some sort of divided loyalty, and someone it was some sort of truce. Someone had to make some sort of decision. Okay, I'm seeing the wheel of fortune out here, and it's like with someone in regards to someone that has this energy of the fate. All right, I'm seeing someone took a chance here. I'm seeing an energy of someone having good luck, good karma. Is what I'm seeing here. Breadcrumbing and secrets. Anything else? Anything else in regards to breadcrumbing and secrets? Okay, someone having there's energy of inner strength here, taming some sort of beast within or something like that. um, gaining control, um, stepping into their power, overcoming a lot of self doubt, especially when dealing with a situation where you possibly felt restricted or trapped, possibly even backed in a corner. It looks like somebody is in regret and for refusing some sort of offer, possibly from this fire sign. And it looked like someone that was coupled with this fire sign because it's coming out as the Queen of Wands, and I'm seeing the Five of Wands. There's an energy of fighting, arguments, disagreements because of some sort of backstab, some sort of betrayal. This person created some sort of ruin, and it looked like someone received some sort of news with the Page of Wands, possibly from a text message or something like that, or a DM. All right, again with this hangman, it was talking about having to view things from a different perspective, and possibly to get yourself out of a situation that you possibly felt trapped in. Is what I'm showing here in the end. I am seeing an energy of celebration. I am definitely seeing some sort of festivities here. All right, strong Cancer energy could be significant with this Three of Cups is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, I'm seeing that there was possibly some sort of marriage, long-term relationship or something like that, or you could have children with one another. We have the Ace of Swords out here providing clarity. I see you are coming out as the wounded warrior. There's an energy of you learning some sort of lesson or had to learn some sort of lesson and get yourself out of a situation, okay? All right. But I am saying with the Chariot, I see you guys moving forward, overcoming some sort of obstacles. There is an energy of success out here, especially when it comes to a choice or decision that you make with the Two of Wands. Okay. Anything else for breadcrumbing and secrets? Anything else about these breadcrumbing secrets? Breadcrumbing and these secrets. Anything else? Oh, there's a breakup. Somebody being left behind. I'm seeing somebody grieving or experiencing some sort of loss or sadness. There's an energy of mourning because of some of feeling unwelcomed, experiencing a lot of negative emotions, and it looks like somebody, after making a choice, set some sort of boundaries, may have blocked someone. I'm seeing somebody standing their ground, especially when it comes to whoever this person is that had a lot of secrets, is what I'm showing here. Possibly from the past, had secrets in the past. I don't know what was going on, but definitely some things that were hidden has been revealed. And I see this person in this Nine of Swords and a lot of regret, remorse, anxiety because of the betrayal, the lies, the cheating that's caught up to them. And you learned the truth with a high priestess or know the truth, okay? And bringing something to the end, to an end. All right, for a new beginning. It's like energy you letting someone go. It's like you went through some sort of a transformational transition. Okay, you changed your mind. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle, and I see an energy of happiness and focus on positivity, freedom, success, standing in your own self-expression. I'm seeing an energy of good luck. You got the most high out here. Yeah, because this person self-sabotaged themselves out of a connection with you, so you have someone new with this Ace of Cup, a new beginning, new romance, new relationship. This could be also a new love that you find within yourself, a new joy, some sort of happiness for the Empress. Okay, this Empress energy is what I'm showing, divine feminine. I'm seeing femininity. It look like some sort of union here. Okay, this could even be like with an air sign, or air sign could be significant, strong Libra energy. Libra talks about balance. That's what I'm showing, some sort of authority. I'm seeing someone being very analytical, all right, having manners, having some sort of power, logical, um, rational type of energy is what I'm seeing here. So that's what I'm saying.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please,